What's going on, fellow vets? Brian Reese here, the VA Claims Insider, and welcome to this short video tutorial today. I'm about to blow your mind, okay? So get ready. I'm going to literally show you veterans on the screen step by step in about 3 to 5 minutes how to fix your VA disability claim in 3 simple steps, okay? Again, I'm Brian Reese, United States Air Force service disabled veteran. I served from 2003 to 2012, and I'm now the founder and CEO of VA Claims Insider. We're the most trusted name in education-based resources for veterans. Okay, welcome. I'm glad you're here watching this today. So I'm going to start talking about the why. Why don't you have VA disability benefits? Well, we took a survey, and here's what we found out. 87% of those 1,000 who had some VA disability benefits were actually underrated. Okay, meaning you don't have the benefits that you deserve by law. And so we wanted to know why. And these were the top 3 reasons. Brian, I told myself I didn't deserve VA benefits. Thank you for giving me permission. Veterans, you served, you deserve. You do deserve benefits for your honorable service to our nation. Okay, and reason number 2 was, Brian, I had no idea how to get VA disability benefits until I found you. Okay, until I found VA Claims Insider. Thank you so much for everything that you do. And then reason number 3 is, hey, Brian, I was previously denied VA benefits, and so I gave up. I quit, right? I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Well, fellow vets, I got some good news here. That's what we do at VA Claims Insider. We make VA disability claims easy. Okay, that's not an oxymoron. We really do make VA disability claims easy. How do we do it? With our proprietary SEM method, which is strategy plus education plus medical evidence equals the VA rating you deserve in less time. Okay, so that was the why. This is the how. Okay, Brian, how do I fix my VA claim in 3 steps? This is it. Okay, we teach something and we implement this with all of our veteran clients, just like you, every day, 24/7 from around the world. We teach you, we equip you, and we help you implement the SEM method. These are the 3 key elements. Number 1, strategy. That's what the S stands for. You're going to get to speak with a veteran coach on our team literally within about 10 minutes from signing up today, okay, to work with us. You're going to hear from us that fast, okay? So you get an expert veteran coach to lead you through the often confusing VA claim process and empower you to take action with the right strategy, okay? Fellow vets, hear me on this. If you get your strategy right, the tactics become very easy. Okay. If your strategy is correct, you will get the VA rating you deserve in less time. Okay. So that's number 1. You got to have the right strategy, and we'll help you do that. Number 2, education. Education. Guess what? The VA is our enemy. We don't know what we don't know. They haven't told us. How do we get VA benefits, and what are we actually eligible for? This is where the education piece becomes so critical. We will help you know what you need to know. Okay, so for example, compensation and pension exam preparation and coaching. We also teach all kinds of live and on demand classes regarding secondary service connection. What are the best parts of the appeal process? The importance of mental health claims, how to file a claim for PTSD, how to get your physical condition service connected, how to increase a rating that's already service connected. Okay, we're going to help you so you can cut through all the friction and noise and know exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. Okay, so again, strategy, education, that's the S and the E. So the M is medical evidence. Medical evidence, fellow vets, I don't care who tells you any different. VA disability claims are won and lost based upon medical evidence. Either you have enough or you don't. Now, in our experience, many veterans don't have enough medical evidence. Why? Because you never went to the doctor on active duty. These conditions are not documented in your service treatment records. I'm here to tell you that's okay. Okay, it's okay, but you have to understand what you need to do now. And what you need to do is get your butt to the doctor, number 1. And number 2, you need to get what's called new and relevant medical evidence, okay, via medical examinations, disability examinations, and medical nexus letters. Okay, it's also called an independent medical opinion. If you've ever logged into eBenefits and you look at the disability screen and you see things that say not service connected, the VA's telling you, it's not that they're telling you you don't have the condition. They're telling you we don't believe that condition was caused or made worse by your active duty service. Okay. Again, even if you've already been denied service connection, with the right strategy, with the right education, the right medical evidence, you can actually win those previously denied claims. Okay. In addition to opening yourself up to a whole host of other state and federal benefits. Okay, so this is the what level. What do I need to know about my VA claim? Well, you got to have these three things. You got to have a medical diagnosis of the disability. And that can be in either your service records, your VA records, or any private medical records. It doesn't matter, but it has to be somewhere. If you don't have a diagnosis yet, get your butt to the doctor, okay? Because you're dead in the water without one. Number two, this is that nexus piece, okay? Remember, I just mentioned if you see things that say not service connected, that's what this means, okay? So your VA disability claim must have been caused or made worse by your active duty military service. That's what's referred to as the nexus, okay? Or it is proximately due to or aggravated by another service connected disability rated at 0% or higher. Did you know left side of body affects right side of body? Everything's interconnected in the human body. If you've got problems with your knees, you probably have problems with your knees. If you've got problems with your knees, you probably have problems with your hips. If you've got problems with your hips, you probably have problems with your back, which means you probably have problems with your neck, which means you might have tinnitus or migraine headaches. You can file high value secondary disability claims off of conditions you already have service connected by law. Okay, that's the second part. And the way you overcome previously denied claims is with medical nexus letters, which we can help you get at reduced rates inside of the VA Claims Insider Elite program. And then number three, you got to have current symptoms of a disability into the present day. We call it severity of symptoms. And what you really need to be thinking about, fellow veterans, is how is this disability condition limiting or affecting your work, your life, and your social functioning? Okay, because ultimately that's what determines your VA rating percentage. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick strategy tip. Again, this is off script a little bit, but I wanted to include this for you. If you go to our website, there's a high value digital download called the Top 10 VA Disability Claims Explained. It's under the full resource, or the free resources tab. Okay. But you have to understand the difference between high value and low value claims. Why is that important? Because you are battling the VA's fuzzy math calculation. Okay. Disabilities do not add on top of each other. So you need to understand, if I'm trying to increase my rating from 70 to 100, from 90 to 100, from 30 to 70, you're not going to do it by adding a bunch of 0% and 10% conditions into your claim strategy. You have to add high value claims, which are conditions that have a high likelihood of being rated at 30% or higher on their own. Those are things like mental health conditions, okay? And there's 31 of them by law. Sleep apnea, okay? There's three different types mainly of sleep apnea. Chronic fatigue syndrome, migraine headaches, respiratory conditions, heart and lung issues, GERD or IBS, okay? If you've got severe acid reflux and indigestion type issues or irritable bowel syndrome, you could be rated up to 60% for that one condition alone. Okay, so you got to understand these. And again, inside of the VA Claims Insider Elite program, we can help you get your strategy right. Okay, so let's do it right now. We can actually go head to toe right now. I'm going to move me over to the other side. This is what we teach. Let's go head to toe, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. I want you to start thinking about high value claims as you start at your head and work your way down the body all the way down to your feet. Okay. Any issues with mental health, migraines, sleep apnea, neck issues, tinnitus, which is ringing in the ears, hearing loss, heart and lung conditions, chronic fatigue syndrome, any musculoskeletal conditions, GERD, IBS, back pain, radiculopathy, okay, which is severe nerve pain, mainly caused by bulging and discs that are rubbing together that pinch on the nerves in your body. Radiculopathy is a high value secondary claim that most vets don't even know about. Okay. Any sexual dysfunction with erectile dysfunction, female sexual arousal disorder, working your way down to knee stuff, strains, sprains, surgeries, anything wrong with your feet, flat feet, plantar fasciitis. Okay. If you've got any of this stuff going on and you believe it's either due to your military service or due to another service connected disability in your body, fellow vets, you're missing out. You might be losing out on thousands of dollars of tax free benefits and compensation that you deserve every single month for you and your family. Okay. So I say, let's go. I say, let's get this done in the new year. Okay. So here's what you can do. This is your script and your turn. As you mentally mind map this out, and maybe you've got out a sheet of paper, or you're on your mobile device, or you're just thinking through it. Yeah, Brian, I do have some of those conditions moving from head into the middle of my body, into the upper part, middle body, into your knees, and into your feet. Think about the disability conditions you have. That's how you're going to implement the SEM method: strategy plus education plus medical evidence equals the VA rating you deserve in less time. Okay. So I say, let's do this. Let's get this done, fellow vets. Again, Brian Reese, I'm a fellow service disabled veteran. VA Claims Insider has helped over 15,000 veterans since 2016 increase their VA disability rating by an average of 30%. Okay. We've got over 1,000 five-star reviews from fellow veterans just like you. Okay. We're celebrating life change every single day. Okay. We're a Better Business Bureau accredited, veteran owned business. We've got an A+ rating overall. Let's do this. Okay. This is your moment. So if you deserve a higher VA rating percentage by law, okay, this is your action moment, because nobody's going to do this for you, fellow vets. If you don't take action and do this, this is never going to happen. Okay. And you can start free right now. Okay. You can click either the learn more button below. All you got to do is follow the arrow in this ad, and you can check out the page there, enter your basic information on step 1. When you get to step 2, that's our membership agreement, which outlines our terms about how we start free now, and then the payment options that exist if and only if you get an increase. Now, let me be clear. This really is a start free. Okay. You don't owe us any fees unless we help you win your claim and get an increase. We have skin in the game with you. Okay. If we don't win, you don't owe a penny. That's the way that this works, fellow vets. And again, action moment. This is your time. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, okay, this is your chance to get back in the game and punch back against the VA and to finally get the rating and compensation you deserve. Okay. Again, all you got to do is click the button down there below. You can claim your free bonuses today as well. You're going to hear from me and an incredible fellow disabled veteran and coach on our team within about 15 minutes of signing up. Okay. Again, I'm super excited, fellow vets, to be able to serve with you. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your sacrifice. And I'll see you inside of the VA Claims Insider Elite program. We'll talk soon.